Good evening. My name is Segundo Guillermo Rodriguez Panduro. This is my second speaking project. Uh, Vacation and social media. Let's talk about my favorite place and the name of the place is El Mirador and it is in Laredo. I usually stay at my friend's house. There are animals such as parrots, turkeys, geese, donkeys, and ducks. At the tourist center, I can play soccer, swim in the pool, and dance. My favorite activity is swimming in the pool with my son. Talk about social media. Now, now let's talk about social media. The app that I use the most is Facebook. I use it to watch videos and search for items to buy on Marketplace. I usually use this app for one word. What what I like about Facebook is that it is entertaining and interest, and I can find a lot of products